Everyone wants a clean, aesthetic body. Sharp lines, wide shoulders, small waist. But most people who go to the gym only chase muscles, not symmetry, and that's why they never look truly attractive. But don't worry, I've figured out the perfect solution. For the next 30 days, we're going to train like a Greek god. And I promise you, if you follow this system, your entire physique will literally transform. An aesthetic body isn't built with heavy lifting alone, it's built with smart training. I followed this formula for 30 days straight, and the results? Straight up insane. Step 1. Shoulder to waist ratio. The foundation of an aesthetic look is the V-taper. Wide shoulders, small waist. That's why the first focus is always shoulders and upper back. I start every workout with lateral raises, face pulls, and some handstand work. These movements shape your back and build that aesthetic, demon-like upper body. Bro, if your shoulders pop, even a simple t-shirt looks aesthetic. Step 2. Core tightness. Without a tight core, your body will never look clean. You need control, not just a six-pack. That's why I do hollow holds and slow leg raises every single day. No crunches, no ego lifting, just tension and breathing. 3 sets, 12 to 15 reps. Simple, but super effective. Step 3. Legs and posture. Most people skip legs and then wonder why their body looks out of proportion. Your posture, your symmetry, your alignment, all of it comes from your legs. Just add these 3 moves to your leg day. Leg press, jumping squats, heavy squats, lightweight, high control, slow reps. That's what makes your frame look clean and balanced. Step 4. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Overtraining one muscle. Balanced training equals symmetry. Mistake 2. Ignoring posture. Every rep clean, every angle controlled. Mistake 3. Rushing reps. Don't do fast reps. Slow reps equals strong control. Control is what makes you aesthetic. Final message? So just focus on these 4 steps and build your aesthetic body in the next 30 days. Let's get to work.